Julie, say again, huh? Good. Okay.
Give your bear a big hug. Make sure it feels good.
Smell good?
Good.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
Good?
And since it's your birthday, you guys get to choose a special birthday heart. One.
Vô môi ba này.
And then can we take our hearts and can we rub them between our hands just like this to get them nice and warmed up? Rub it. Whoops. Careful. You want to do it too? Then go ahead and pat them to get them beating.
Nào.
Rub them on the bear's forehead so they're super smart. Just like this. Great job. Can you rub them on their chest so they're full of love? Right here. Rub it on their arms so they give great hugs. Rub it on rub it on their back so they always have your back. And then close your eyes. Make a super big wish.
Hả? Viết.
And once you've made your wish,
Hả Vi? What do you want? Vi, go.
Julie, close your eyes.
Hả? Close your eye. Close your eye.
and put it right inside. Great job. And then you can put yours inside as well. Did we want to add any sweet smells or vibrating heartbeats?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So did the heartbeat? That's 650. Is that all right?
Huh?
650 for the thing.
Yeah.